How to find debit card number without your card. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can find debit card number without card. So let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So one of the easiest way on how you can check your debit card number without using your card is using a mobile banking app or online banking. Many banks provide their customer with access to their debit card information through the mobile apps and online banking platforms. And if you have an account with a bank that offers their services, just follow the steps. You just need to log in into mobile bank's app or online banking platform. After that, just navigate to the section that displays your account information or card details, and your debit card number should be visible on the screen. You may just note it down for the future reference as well. Like this one right here, for example, when you log in into our account, you'll be able to find your account number very easily on your screen. You just need to tap on show and you'll be seeing all the numbers visible on your screen into a mobile banking app. So you may just go to the mobile banking app and you should be able to find your account number. The next thing is you may just check for account statements. Your debit card number is often included into your bank account statements, whether in paper or electronic form. So to find your debit card number in your account statements, you just need to access your most recent account statement, either online or from in a form of a paper statement. Look for the section that details your debit card transactions. Your debit card number is usually listed alongside the transactions. For example, this one right here, this is one of the example you can see here. So this in this bank, First Citizens Bank, you can easily find your account number at the very top, which is also a debit card number. You may just look out for the same kind of account number or different kind of number section on your bank account statement, and you should be easily able to find it. And the last thing is you would just contact your bank. If you're unable to access your card number through the methods that I just talked about, your best option is to contact your bank directly. Banks have customer services representatives that will can assist you in recovering your card number, and you may just call your bank's customer service hotline or authenticate your identity by providing your account details and personal information, and you may request a customer service representative to provide you with your debit card number. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to get your debit card number or find your debit card account number without using a card. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.